Hello, welcome all to Creative Taanushree channel. Today we will see isEven function in CalC and how it is been implemented. So the syntax of isEven function is isEven and value. Okay. So isEven function returns true if the value is even integer or false if the value is odd. Very simple. So we will take examples like equals to is even. Now 48 is even, so it should give true. See, true. Okay, now we will take another example. Equals to even is even 33. This is odd, so it should be false. Correct. Is even minus 3.1, false. Okay, equals to is even bracket 5.9999, false, because it is not 4. This is not 6. If it is 6, if we make it as 6, it is true. So 5.99999 is false. So this is it. See this one, 3.2. If we make 2.2, it is true. Okay, so that's all for isEven function. Bye bye.